Hello friends, welcome to Divid's Techno. Please subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to put a password on your Excel file. So let's do this. First thing first, if you want to create a new Excel file, open and create a new one. So you have created a new file, and over here I put the data like target of subscribers. Like I write 1000 and I want to save it. When you create a new file, it asks you. So, if you are Windows or Mac, you get this options button when you go to save. So you click on the options and it asks you the password to open. Like I'm gonna put 1234. 1234. Okay. Now it tells you to re-enter because you should remember it. 1234. Now it will ask you again. 1234. Okay. Now I'm gonna save it as I'm gonna save it in downloads as book 2. Saved. Now I close it. And here is book 2. So let's open it. It has a lock. Now we enter the password 1234. Now if you want to go in read only, you can click over here. But if you want to edit it, you have to enter again. So 1234. And now you have the Excel file. And guys, I want to teach you one more thing. Now, if I create a new file and for example, I write nothing and I save it just normally, known as book 3, and close this. So you have book3.xlsx, but when you open it, you got it. But now, today, you want to put a password on it. But for that, you have to do on this file and you have to do save as. So you create an other one. So you enter the password 1234, 1234, 1234, 1234. Now I've entered 1234 4 times. Now it has understood me. Now now it will create a new file in downloads. Save. So you have to name it same so you can replace the earlier one because the earlier one is without the password and now which you're saving is with. So you click on replace and ta-da! It has a lock. So thanks for watching my video. Please share, comment, subscribe and like. Meet you in my next video. And next topic is really interesting. Can't wait to tell you that, but it's a big mega surprise. You'll love it. So bye guys.